Have you ever wondered how to clean solar panels on roofs where it's got difficult access? There's one thing to be able to go and install the panels, there's another thing to think about how you're going to access to clean them. Although there may be a straight line between your eye and what you're wanting to clean, but the distance that you're actually needing to work from the panels can be challenging. And that's where the roof one really does come into its own. As the mast trolley has got a supporting fulcrum, you're able to slide the pole through the rollers and still be able to access the whole of the roof using the low pressure feed of pure water with a brush to be able to not just agitate the dirt that's sitting on top of the panels, but actually clean all the framework all the way around. So we're going to give it a go on this job.